Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Quantum 650 headphones, and I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application on your iPhone. So at first you need to open the App Store and then go to search. In the search bar you need to search for JBL Quantum, not headphones, Quantum. Here. This is application from the Hama International Industries developer, who have 4 ratings actually, and I have no idea how many downloads it has, but we can't see this unfortunately. But here you should see the Get button. So tap this Get button and then authorize this using device ID, Apple ID password, as you can see, or Touch ID if you are on your iPhone, well, on your iPad. Let me quickly insert my password in there. So now let me tap again to install because I logged in, and now we should be done. We are not done. Okay, so again, okay, here we are. Let me tap open, and now we need to tap this tick and accept. Get started. Allow. And now I do recommend to be paired with your headphones before. Now as you can see, connect to your JBL Quantum 650. Connect. Please short press mute on the product to continue. Here this is the button to mute, and I don't really think that it works because we need to have the microphone plugged in to perform so. So let me quickly plug in the microphone so that the process of pairing should be working for us like this. And now this mute button. Let me tap Retry, and let me tap again this mute button. It's so buggy, I know, but after a few tries you will be able to connect. Now pair, as you can see. Now we are done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.